What's up, YouTube?
We
Back. You always doing shit. You always.
You listen.
All right. We don't want to overtalk this like our buddy.
Alright, so jumping right into these ingredients today, guys. To make our pineapple jerk turkey. Doesn't that sound amazing?
It sure does.
It's gonna be another banger, like always. Alright, so to clean our turkey, we need vinegar and lemon. Alright, make sure you have both those things because you want to get all up in there, okay? And to brine our turkey, this is what you're gonna need: salt, some Creole seasoning, Cajun spice, ginger, allspice, some chicken broth, pineapple juice, some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And to season the turkey, you're gonna need these items right here: a pineapple, fresh pineapple, some homemade green seasoning, jerk seasoning, some butter, and your turkey, of course, duh. But you know, Chef Trini went to go catch the turkey. He went out there in the yard and stuff. Chef Trini?
Gobble, gobble.
Oh. Get a big fat one, right? Guys, and that's all you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you what to do with all these ingredients. So stay tuned.
Chefs and chefettes, our big old fat 15-pound turkey has been washed. And cleaned. We trimmed off all the excess skin. We plucked off all the extra hair, and we washed it in some vinegar and lemon. All right. So now it's time to make that brine. We're gonna brine this turkey overnight so the flavor can absorb into the meat. This is gonna be the most moist, delicious turkey you've ever had. All right. So let's get this stove on, get the pot nice and warm. So the first thing we're gonna do is add our chicken broth like we told you in our ingredients. So I'm gonna add both of these chicken broth. Guys, when you make this brine, you want to taste it. Why? Because you're gonna add ice or cold water, because you don't want to soak your turkey in warm, room temperature or hot brine, because it's gonna cook. So the brine has to be cold. Make sure you taste it. I'm adding both. Guys, I'm excited.
So are you adding two because your turkey is ginormous?
Did you not see the size of that Mama Jamma? Guys, look at that 15-pound turkey.
We can't, your hand in the way. All right, we got
15-pound turkey.
Jeez Louise.
All right, so I added both containers of our chicken broth. Guys, next you're gonna add your Creole or Cajun spice. If you don't have one, use the other. If you don't have other, use the next one. But if you're like us and you like everything hot, use both.
Oh boy.
So I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of Cajun, a tablespoon of Tony's. You know you gotta have the Tony's. Guys, you ain't a chef if you ain't got this in your cabinet. A tablespoon of that. Oh yeah, it's going down. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this allspice. Guys, and you wanna bring this to a boil so it can combine and all the flavors can mix. All right?
All right.
I'm gonna put the fresh ginger in there. Salt. You gotta be careful with the salt because the chicken broth that we bought has a little salt. They do have unsalted if you know you're watching your cholesterol like us. You know, we don't like too much salt. But you're gonna add a little bit of salt. And remember, you're gonna be adding water to this, so it's gonna dilute it if it's too salty. That's why I said taste your broth. And last but not least, guys, you know we make it a pineapple jerk turkey. So you gotta add 2 tablespoons of that jerk, guys. Like I said, our preferred jerk seasoning is Walker's Wood. If you want to make your own jerk season, be our guest. But we prefer our go-to Jamaican authentic seasoning is Walker's Wood. I'll put a picture right there for you. So I'm gonna add this 2 tablespoons of this Walker's Wood jerk seasoning in there. Guys, come look at this. I need you to come see. See how that's looking? This is the brine.
Look at that.
Stir it around. We're not done. All right, back up, Chef Sam. We ain't done.
Wow, Chef Trini, you sound like a professional.
I'm a professional.
Oh.
Guys, this is gonna be the best goddamn turkey bird gobble you ever had. I'm telling you, it's gonna be moist and flavorful. Who you know made a pineapple jerk turkey? Cooking Comedy.
No.
Guys, and last but not least, we got a big old bottle here of 100% pineapple juice. Yeah, it's a pineapple jerk turkey. You need that pineapple juice. So guys, we're gonna put 2 cups in there. We don't wanna put too much because it might be too sweet. But we're gonna put that in there. Oh good, Chef Sam.
What happened?
Shucks, man, you know I forget. Hold on.
The whole pineapple?
No. Let me add.
You forgetting something?
No, I didn't forget nothing.
You just said
It's just not too close. Let me add this
you need brown sugar?
brown sugar over there. I can get it. Chef Sam always trying to sabotage.
Yep.
So we put our 2 cups. Give it a stir. Guys, you just want to bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to turn it off. Because you want it to sit, get cool, so you don't cook your turkey. Don't put your turkey in hot brine. What do? You just want to touch me?
Yep. I couldn't resist.
Guys, last but not least, we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar, baby.
No singing. You're going to lose subscribers.
They love my singing.
No, they don't love your singing.
They love my damn singing.
I don't even love your dance.
Guys, comment below if you love my singing.
They just said hell no. Oh, shoot. 3 people said hell no.
Damn. Last but not least, guys, get you some brown sugar. I'm going to put, making a mess. 1.
So you want to tell them what you named your bird?
Big. 2.
Big Bird?
Exactly. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Guys, stir it around. Like I said, taste your brine. You want your brine to your preference. If you need anything additional, you add it. If not, you're good to go. Remember, you want it a little strong because like I said, we're going to add ice or extra cold water in there, Chef S. I hope you guys hit that like. I hope you dropped a comment. And I hope you subscribe. Guys, our brine mixture has cooled down. You know, we boiled it like we showed you in the last scene. Now it's cool. Look, take a look at this. And guys, I tasted it. Remember I told you to taste it? It tastes amazing.
It sure did.
So now I'm gonna put the brine into our large container. You want a container big enough that's gonna fit your size turkey. Whether it's a big pot, a big container, something that you can fit your turkey and then you're gonna cover it. So I'm gonna add our brine into our bowl. It's still a little warm because we boiled it. Next, you can get yourself a bag of ice. Don't go to Dollar Tree and get ice. Get a good size ice.
What's wrong with the one at Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree, you get a small bag for ice. It's $1.25 now. It's not even $1 anymore. So we're gonna add half this bag of ice into our brine. Why? Because I don't want to cook the turkey. So I want to make sure that our brine is cold. You want to come see? Come.
Yeah, sure.
Show me side. Can you see that?
Wow.
So you want to make sure your brine is cold before you put that turkey in. Remember, taste your brine. I'm not going to tell you guys again. Taste your brine. So alright guys, our brine is nice and cold. So when we drop our turkey in here, it's not going to cook. We're not cooking the turkey today. We're going to leave it in our brine for no more than 24 hours. You could do 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. No longer than 24 hours, you're gonna leave that turkey in your brine. So I'm gonna place our big Mama Jamma. What was our turkey's name?
Big.
Bird. Ooh, drain it out, drain it out. Get all that excess water. And say goodbye to Birdie.
Who eating all that bird? That bird ginormous.
So now, our bird isn't fully covered. Come see, come see. See how he's not fully covered?
Nope.
But guess what? That's why we put the extra seasoning in. Now we're gonna take the rest of this ice and make sure our bird is fully covered. Guys, so you're gonna wanna cover your bird fully. Make sure it's submerged in your brine. You're gonna cover it, you're gonna place it in your fridge. If that big old container can't fit in your fridge, put it outside if it's cold. If you are here in the East like us, it's cold outside. Or put it somewhere cold where it's not gonna cook, where it's at least about 32 degrees, you know? A little higher, because 32 degrees is freezing. You don't want it to freeze. All right, guys, so we're gonna leave this for overnight for the chefettes. So we took our turkey out the brine. We brined it overnight. Gave it a little wash. You don't want to wash it too much to wash the flavor off. But we gave it a quick rinse in cold water. Remember, don't use hot water. You're going to cook your turkey. Then we patted it dry. And now it's time to season this bad boy up. So we got our jerk seasoning. We got our green seasoning. If you don't know how to make the green seasoning, I will put the link down below in the description. And we got some butter. You're like, butter? What you need butter for? Guys, you know turkey can be a little dry, right? So we're going to take the butter. We got about a table. Not even a pot spoon of butter there. Y'all watching?
We watching.
Can you see me?
Can see you.
All right, all right, all right. I'm gonna take some of this green seasoning. Half, not all. Ooh. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this jerk seasoning. Can y'all see me?
Yep.
Y'all can see me making a mess?
Yep.
Okay.
I definitely see me.
Just making sure. All right, so here we got the butter, we got the jerk seasoning, and we got the green seasoning. Just gonna mix it up. Why? Because this is gonna go under the skin. When you cook this turkey and it starts cooking in the oven, all that butter is gonna melt. And under that skin is gonna be so moist and flavorful. All right, now, come in, come in, come in.
I'm coming.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some of the seasoning and you're gonna push it under that skin. Get it all in that crevice. Y'all see me?
Let's get in there. Let's see what's inside.
Can you see that?
We can see that.
Look,
The breast. Wow, and you stuffing it and rubbing it in.
I'm massaging that bad boy, that
You
butter.
never massage me like that, you know. Never. You never massage.
This is a cooking channel. This is not about your marital problems.
Okay, sorry. Sorry about that.
Guys, look, look, look. You want to get down into the drums too. Don't just focus on the breast. Get all in there. When you clean your chicken, you want to make sure that the skin don't rip, that you got this little hole so you can trap that butter in there. Get all up in there. Look at that.
Wow, that's a good color. So let me ask you, Chef Trini, is
No,
that...
I don't have time for questions. I don't have time for questions.
What do you mean?
I don't have time for questions.
But I have a question.
I don't care. Drop it in the comment.
That is insane.
Drop it in the comment. Yes, Chef Sam. How can I help you today?
All right, so this seasoning here you mix up, right?
Uh-huh.
Is it gonna go on the outside as well?
Chef Sam, don't ask no more questions. Just watch. Just watch.
Okay.
All right, so you see I took all that butter mixture and got it under the skin. Get it all in there. Can you see?
We can see.
All right. Guys, so the butter mixture is for the inside the skin.
He's gonna answer our question now. Listen.
Now, it's time to do the outside.
Oh, okay.
You don't need the butter mixture. So I'm gonna take the green seasoning. I'm gonna put that on top. Guys, you wanna rub that in everywhere. Make sure you got a nice big bowl so you don't lose any seasoning like me. Y'all see that mess I did? Y'all see that? Guys, and you're gonna do both sides. So after I do the top, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna do the bottom.
Wow.
And make sure you massage it, caress it, every piece, every nook. Even give the turkey a little slap.
What?
Turkey fresh. Woo-hoo!
That you violating turkey.
Woo. Guys, get it all in. Don't waste no seasoning. I'm gonna use all this. I don't want to waste nothing.
Wow.
So this is the green seasoning. Massage that all in there. I don't want to overtalk it. I know I'm keeping you guys long. You're like, Chef Trini, shut the hell up.
Oh no. No.
Already, we get the point. So that's the green seasoning. Now I'm gonna take the jerk seasoning. I'm gonna do the same thing. You're gonna rub it all around the outside. Guys, don't forget to rub the hole. Put your hand in that hole. Finger the hole.
What? Bro.
We don't want to see how you're gonna finger the hole.
Come close. Come close.
All right, let's see.
Get it all in there.
Oh, just like that, huh?
Yeah. Guys, so I'm gonna rub this turkey down all over with jerk, and I'm gonna show you what we do next.
Chefettes, our turkey is seasoned to perfection. We have it in our baking dish, and now we're going to stuff it with our fresh peeled pineapple. So important. Let's not slice it up. You leave it whole because we're gonna shove this whole bad boy, like Chef Trini says, into the hole.
In the hole.
In the hole. See that?
Oh yeah.
See this?
That's a big hole.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Right in, look at that.
OMG. Oh my God. You look like a professional star. Oh,
Yeah, you taught me well. All right, we're just gonna, look at that. See that? Cover it up a little bit.
I'm
Guys,
coming in.
come in. So you could come and see what we did with the wings. The wings we tuck them under because if you leave them out, they're gonna tend to burn, right? So you want them nice and moist. We tuck these bad boys under. Can you see that?
We can see it.
All right. So what we're gonna do here, we're just going to cover it up, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 2 to 2.5 hours.
It all depends on the size of your bird.
Sure does.
How big is our bird, Chef Sam?
15 pounds.
Damn.
He's a big boy.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
a big boy. And then we're gonna check it a little bit, and if it needs to be, we save some of our raw seasoning there. We're gonna,
Some of our jerk seasoning.
yep, and we're just gonna tap
Baste it on.
Yep, with a nice blood. Look at this, our pineapple jerk turkey is done.
Wow, that looks amazing. Y'all see the pineapple in there?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
It's nice and brown on top, shining.
Guys, our 15-pound turkey cooked for 4 hours at 350.
After the second and third hour, we took it out, we basted, and we put it back in.
Yeah, we basted it twice in the oven. We kept checking it, making sure it got nice and brown. Y'all see how delicious that looks? Guys, now we're going to plate it on a bed of some greens, and we're going to feast.
Oh yeah, it's about to go
Yeah,
down.
you guys make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.